Hello future colleagues, my name is Kaspars Sosis. I have 2 graduate degrees, one in computer science and one in business computing, both from Central Michigan University, and a PhD degree in computer science from Riga Technical University. As well as I have 20 years of industry experience in IT and in ERP systems consulting areas, both in Europe and in the USA. This course is an entry-level programming course, and in particular in Python, as a series of Python-related courses in Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences. This course is part of International Study Program Information Technologies. There are no prerequisites for this course. This course has work in small groups. The course starts with very basics, starting from such elements as data types and control structures. And it leads up to work with data acquisition by web scraping and from databases. The course starts very slowly, though the one's learning curve speed is growing rapidly. The Python is very easy for beginners to start as a programming language, though it is widely used in scientific areas for data exploration. So, let's dive in together in the exciting world of coding and data exploration. See you in Valmiera!
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences, subscribe to our channel and look for more information in video description.